So children, here we are doing the derivation of the mirror formula. See, we have done about how images are formed, the ray diagrams. So we are coming to the numericals, and in numericals we use the formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, which we often call as mirror formula, isn't it? We call as mirror formula. So here we are going to derive that formula, the mirror formula we are going to derive. So how do we derive the mirror formula? Let us have a look. First we have taken one case of image formed by a concave mirror. The object is kept between the focus, here is the focus, between the focus and the center of curvature, and the image has been found beyond the center of curvature. It is the object is of this size, and see the image is this size. So obviously the image is magnified, real and inverted. Here we have to understand, when we are taking this diagram, we have to assume that this height of the object is small and the ray parallel and close to the principal axis. They pass through focus. Therefore, we can assume that PA is almost perpendicular. We have to assume that almost straight line, because the concave mirror is of very large focal length. That means we have to assume that AP is equal to BU. This will be there in our assumption. So now let us try to go ahead. Here we see two triangles which we have to make them similar. So what are those triangles? UCB, triangle UCB by geometry is similar to triangle UCB is similar to VCT. Triangle VCT is similar to triangle VCT. Why? Because this angle is 90, so this angle is 90, and if this angle is x, then this angle will be x, because they are vertically opposite angle. So therefore these two triangles will be similar, because we have studied in similarity, if any two angles of two triangles are equal, then they are similar. Actually they are equiangular, because the third angle also gets equal. The third angle is 180 minus the difference of the two equal angles, so that the difference will be the same. So now we can say UC by VC is equal to UB by VT. UB by VT is equal to BC by, but BC by CT, but we do not take the hypotenuse. So this we have to understand that the triangles are similar because of angle corollary, that is mathematics. And if the triangles are similar, then the sides are proportional. Then while writing the similarity, you may be knowing in maths, very careful, we have to take 90, then if this is x, so 90x unmarked, so 90x unmarked. Have we written that way? Yes, u is 90, then b is 90, c is x, then c is x, and b is unmarked, then t is unmarked. So very good concept of similarity also you have to use here. Now this means what? Let us see what does this mean. I can take UB as, our assumption is UB is equal to AP. So AP by VT is equal to UC by VC. So let us assume this is equation 1. Now let us come to the larger triangle over here. These two triangles also will be similar. What are the triangles? FPA, triangle FPA will be similar to triangle FVT, isn't it? Triangle FVT. FPA, this triangle is similar to this triangle FVT. FVT. That means what we can write is, let us have a look. We can write as FP by FV is equal to PA by VT, is equal to PA by VT, isn't it? So or AP by BT. Alright, so now what happens? AP by BT is equal to UC by BC, AP by BT is equal to FP by FV. So now I am here writing over here, if things which are equal to the same thing, will be equal to one another, that means what will happen? FP by FB, FP by FV is equal to FP by FV is equal to UC by BC, UC by VC. Now very smartly we have to think. In mirror sign convention or in the chapter light sign convention, everything should be measured from the pole. So I have to use the alphabet P smartly. Now here what is written? FP is correct. FV can be written as, let us see, FV can be written as PV minus PF. Okay. So FP, this is PV. So FV can be written as, let us see, PV minus PF. UC can be written as, let us see, UC can be written as PC minus PU. PC minus PU. And VC can be written as, once again, let us see, VC can be written as PV minus PC. Now we can do it very easily. Now see, everything we are measuring, so we are going measurement like focal length, we are going in the direction backward, in the direction opposite to the incident ray. That means all the lengths by sign convention we have to take it as negative. So what is PF? PF is the focal length. So it will be minus F. What is PV? PV is the image distance, so it is again coming backward, negative. PF obviously is negative. PC means what? PC means twice of focal length, so this will be minus 2F. PU will be equal to object distance, that also will be negative. PV will be image distance negative, and PC, once again let us see, PC will be what? Minus 2F. So all the signs are carrying negative, but it is easy for us now to calculate. Now this will be minus F minus V plus F minus 2F plus U minus V plus 2F. Now we cross multiply very carefully. Minus F, so FV plus FV. Plus 2F minus F is minus 2F square. Now I will multiply this first two by minus 2F. Minus 2F minus V. So this will be plus 2F. Okay. Then minus 2F, so it will be minus 2F square. Then U into V is minus UV. U into F is UF. Now done. So now minus 2F square will come this side, then this 2F square negative and positive will cancel each other. So we will cancel. 2FV will come this side, so it will be minus 2FV plus FV. So we are getting negative FV remaining this side is equal to minus UV plus UF. So I divide everything by UVF. So minus FV divided by UVF is equal to minus UV divided by UVF plus UF divided by UVF. So what will happen? VV cancelled. So use the red pen. FF cancelled. UU cancelled. VV cancelled. UU cancelled. FF cancelled. So we are getting what we are getting, minus 1 by U is equal to minus 1 by F plus 1 by V. So I bring it this side. So 1 by F is equal to, I take this side. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V. Let us write this way. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v, and this comes this side 1 by u. So this is the mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v.